So what's up guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video, as you can see, I'm gonna unbox these thingies. So yeah, you can probably guess like what was in the package. So let me just give you a quick thing. So with every order, a nice cube stand came of orange color. The store which I ordered from, QIYI.com, link will be in the description. Not sponsor, and it says happy cubing and speed cuber, and come with this business card and then this shipping thingy. So I will not look at, don't want these two, and I don't want these two, so just two them. And the cube stands are nice, so probably gonna use that. Yeah, come in my collection, boys. So just keep that aside. So these are the cube, X-Men Bell V2, the QIYI cube, it's heavy by the way, and the QIYI MGC 4x4, and let's see what's in here. It's the lube I think I ordered. Yeah, so basically it also came with these things. So not cube stand this time. This is the QIYI Premium Lube, QIYI Velocity, a very fast lube. So I will not be unboxing this because there's nothing in this unboxing. So by just quick side note that it is the lube itself, this cap, and this whatever this thing is, and comes with this thing, and a review will out. I will be reviewing this thing in a separate video. So keep that aside. But for now, we will be gonna looking at these things. So first of all, let's keep these two things aside and look at the X-Men Bell V2. So I was very hyped for this because I wanted a nice Pyramix, and the Bell V2 came and my dreams came true. So just gonna open it like this. So just open like this. So nothing in this box. There's a plastic over here and a screwdriver over here. Okay, nice. And there was no plastic out of the box, over the box, which is nice for the environment. This thing, this screwdriver, and this plastic thing, the tube. Okay, it's lubed. Yeah, it's lubed. Okay, it's nicely lubed, and wow, it's nice. Let's see what is inside. Another plastic thingy. Oh, some collection cards. Nice. Pyramix tutorial. Don't need that. Oh wow, some magnets. See that? Okay, I will not look at these things for now. Just keep that in the box because a review for everything separately will be coming out. And this is a screwdriver, so I guess that, yeah, it has adjustable magnets. So what you can do, just pop the screwdriver here and adjust to the setting. I will be like making a review for this. So let's get into some first turns. Oh my god, this is so nice. Okay, the magnetic feel is nice. I'm not that good at Pyramix, but probably can tell. So tips feel nice. There's no spring noise in these things, so that's pretty nice. Like Pyramix have spring noises in them. Okay, that is very smooth. That is very buttery feeling. I don't know why that is, because of the lube or something. Okay, there's a bit of spring noise. Probably you cannot hear that. So let's give it a go. Okay, it's a bit unstable, a bit too fast. So probably gonna slow this down. So you can change the magnets of these things. So I will probably make it to the strongest setting. So yeah, so let's give it a quick solve. So I'm not that great at the Pyramix, but probably can solve one. So yeah, so let's go. yeah, I need to improve, guys. Wow, it's so fast. I need to slow this down. Really, what is this? Okay. Yeah, so that's pretty nice pyramids. Very nice feeling. The feel is very nice. It would be nice if it would be a bit clicky. Probably making the magnet stronger would help this down. And the screwdriver comes with these things at the back. I don't know why, but it comes with these things. So yeah, and what is this thing? I don't understand. So just gonna put everything. Yeah, so like that. So okay, so I'll see you in my another video, pyramids. Bye bye for now. Okay, so now on to the gear puzzle. So basically it's nothing like that, no accessories and stuff, just this box and this puzzle. Okay, there's something at least. So this is a tutorial, I guess. Nice, but it's in Chinese or something. Wait, I need to look at that because I don't know how to solve it. Okay, there's no English sides also. Okay, so just keep the box aside, and while you're here, just go away. Oh my god, this is so weird. Okay, oh my god, what? Okay, it's not lubed. It is not lubed. I don't know if you can lube this thing. So, what? Are you serious? Oh my god, M slices? No, you cannot do M slices. Wow, that is amazing, guys. Just look at that. No, not solved. Oh my god. Okay, it's solved. Okay, you cannot do U-turns. You have to do U-turns like this. No finger tricks. Oh my god, that is weird. Okay, just see the gears. Okay, so I think that it's very nice for a gear cube, because the previous gear cubes, like the pieces were too small, there was only gears and gears. But here you can clearly see the pieces, and it turns amazingly. I'm not joking, just see the turning of it. It's so smooth, no resistance at all. Okay, that's nice. That is pretty nice. See the corner cutting. Yeah, it cuts. Okay, let's make it around here. And nope. Okay, it cuts. Okay, its corner cutting is also amazing. I wonder if you can tension these things. I don't think you can tension these things, but it's pretty nice. So I give this thing 10 out of 10 for its price, because it's only very cheap. So yeah, so just keep you aside also for a second. And then we have the big boy, the YJ MGC 4x4. Okay, I don't have a nice 4x4, so I was just looking for a nice 4x4, so I just chose this thing. So yeah, so like there's a plastic out of the box, like over the box, so that's not good for the environment. So I'm just gonna grab a pair of scissors, right? Yeah, a pair of scissors. So just gonna cut this. Okay, so make good choices. Nice. I need a scissor here also, so yeah, it will be nice. Okay, not good for the environment, but still, what can I do? Comes in this nice looking box. This box is amazing. And how do I open this thing? Wait, you can't open this. say that is the outer layer, I guess. And now the 4x4, yeah, no designs there. Open. Okay, so moment of truth. Wow, that is cool. There's a cube in a plastic wrap and the accessories box and a plastic and the thing inside it. Okay, so I'm gonna just put these things aside and I'm gonna take a look at the accessories box real quick. What's in it? Okay, a screwdriver which is attached to some magnets. What? Okay, so I don't think you can see, but there's like a small magnets and some big magnets. I think they are for replacements. And a Moyu screwdriver, I think. Oh, sorry, YG screwdriver. What I'm talking. And some springs. So I guess that these are the replacement ones or a different strength. Let me count them. There are like 6 springs. So I think that they are of a different strength and some solving guide. So I'm just gonna put everything back because I don't wanna lose anything. So yeah, be careful with your cube accessories because they can just leave you and go wherever they want. So just gonna put that in the box. Oh my gosh. Okay, and then look at the cube. So cube comes in this plastic wrap right there. Satisfying movement, the most satisfying movement in your entire cubing history. So yeah, just put that plastic away. And it's lubed, I guess. Okay, it's magnetic. Everybody knows that. So yeah, the outer layers feel nice. First turns, the outer layers feel nice, and the inner layers, oh my god, the inner layers are so nice. Wait. Okay, it's nice. I love the outer layers, by the way. I love the outer layers, and it's a bit over lubed. So just carry a cleaning cloth with you. I don't have right now, but what's inside this center cap? Okay, there must be some screws and thing. So yeah, the outer layers feel amazing. Like it's like a 3x3 but a bit of resistance. So I think it is a bit tight for me, so I'm gonna loose this down a bit because I think this is a bit tight, and the internals are like the colors of the pieces. Okay, so I think the inner layers can be improved. I don't have any 4x4 to compare with it, but I think it's pretty nice. The outer layer, like basically the outer layers are so great. Like one of the best cube with the outer layers, and it's a bit squishy. And the inner layers are a bit too tight. I think they can be slowed down, but yeah. So a screw. Okay, the internals. Pretty standard, and yeah, so that's basically an unboxing video of it. So it's my first impressions of this are that it's a bit too tight for me. The outer layers are amazing, but the inner layers feel somewhat stiff. So I might put some speed lube in here for the inner layers and also tension it a bit to a looser side. So yeah, that's basically it for this video. So I'm gonna give you some quick reviews for this. So this cannot be put into any stands, the pyramid. So yeah, So first of all, I'm gonna tell you that this is the definitely the best Pyramix out there. And what I will do for this, I will change the magnet strength to the strongest and add some extra magnets in the tips, and then I'll just put a bit of slow loop in there so it can be slowed down. For the rear cube, no questions, this is the best cube. You can get it and it's cheap, not that expensive. And like, see guys, the quality is so great, and you can probably hear some things inside also. And onto the 4x4, the 4x4 is amazing. Not amazing, I guess, it's a bit looby and the internals are a bit stiff, so I'm gonna put a fast lube in there and tension it to a looser side. So yeah, that's basically it for this video, and I'll see you guys next time. So bye. And also, if you wanna check the reviews of this cube, stay tuned, subscribe, turn on the notifications so you will be notified when the reviews come out.